Hey guys, and welcome back to Yard Work Day. Today, we're doing some weed whacking, but we're changing it up a bit. How many of you are familiar with the string for the weed whacker? You go to do your lawn and then you spend the next 45 minutes either restringing it or trying to untangle it. I know the feeling. I got online and I found a wire wheel for my DeWalt weed whacker, and we're gonna use this today. I'm gonna show you guys how much more fun this makes weed whacking and how much easier it is. So without further ado, let's get whacking. Let's get this baby installed. I recommend getting one with several wires close together. The last one I tried with fewer wire extensions seemed to get snagged and it jumped whenever I used it. The one I found that worked best was 10-inch in diameter, and I just found it on Amazon for like 22 bucks. Installing the wire wheel was a breeze. Just insert a screwdriver into the lock slot, and remember that on weed whackers, tightening and loosening the wheel is opposite to what you're used to. Instead of righty-tighty and lefty-loosey, it's clockwise to loosen and counterclockwise to tighten. This is to accommodate the spin of the weed whacker, so it tightens itself when you're using it. Right off the bat, I was in love with this. I was surprised how easily it cut through the weeds. I was worried my little DeWalt weed whacker might not have enough power to spin it, but it did just fine. Pro tip, make sure to wear long pants and use rubber gloves and especially eye protection when you're using this. I noticed little pieces of wire can fly off the wheel and they really hurt if they get stuck in your leg. This is the perfect tool to get the edges on your lawn just right and get unwanted weeds out of the sidewalk cracks. The more I used my wire wheel, the more ideas I got of things I could use it for. Anything from removing rust, paint, stains on concrete, on and on. I'm definitely going to be using my weed whacker more now. I am even more impressed than I thought I'd be. This thing is so smooth, it doesn't get all tangled, and it works really well, especially for the tall grass that I have in my yard. Perfect. Let me know if you guys go pick up one of these wheels for yourself and how you like it. Thank you guys so much for whacking it with me today. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any yard work ideas or you just want to see some fun content, hit me up in the DMs. And until then, happy gardening!